High-tech hideout busted during Srinagar encounter. Two terror associates neutralized, and 7 ammunitions and arms recovered. A civilian has also lost his life in the gun battle. Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining us live for the very latest. Kamaljeet, walk our viewers through the latest coming in as far as the Srinagar encounter is concerned. This is a high-tech terror hideout that has been busted during this particular encounter.
See, Jammu Kashmir police is saying that 2 terrorists and 2 terror associates have been killed. In total, 4 have been gunned down. Now, there seems to be a bit of a controversy as far as one of them is concerned, because Altaf's family is claiming the building owner that he was not involved. The Jammu Kashmir police said that they have evidence to show that he was very much part of the module, that he was aware of this entire high-tech module running out of that entire building in Hyderpora, saying it was a call center which was VIP enabled, which also means that they were able to make international calls, which is including US, saying there were instructions being passed on. Again, there was a map of US which was found. Now, these are the claims which have been made by Jammu Kashmir police. But what is significant and important is the sort of recoveries which have been made. At least 2 pistols with 3 magazines, several diaries, incriminating material and evidence as far as militancy-related material is concerned. That is the claim which is coming in. The other is, as far as the recoveries are concerned, the Jammu Kashmir police has, however, not mentioned that. Perhaps some of them could have been burnt or gutted. The other part is the killings, because Bilal Bhai is a Pakistani terrorist. The other who's been identified is Amir of Banihal. Now, they're suspected to be TRF or Lashkar associated, but that will also be a part of the investigation now. So clearly a shot in the arm as far as security forces are concerned. But one of the part is to cause minimum civilian casualty or damage or collateral damage. That is something now that is going to be investigated. But clearly, as far as terror-related incidents are concerned, and we've been told the recent spate of violence that is have been happening in Kashmir was related to this particular module, which has so far been running a sort of a terror module, attacking not just minorities as well as non-locals, but creating terror in the hearts and minds of the people.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details.